Hey guys, welcome back to itsPriscillaMarie. I wanted today to film a makeup tutorial for a Valentine's Day using the Dare to Create eyeshadow palette from Morphe. It is such a beautiful palette. I have been obsessed with it and I felt like I needed some makeup tutorials for it. So I decided to do this basic pink makeup look that everybody and the mama doing right now for Valentine's Day. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao. Alright, so I already primed my eyelids and set that into place, and now I'm going in to define me, and I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Fluffy brush to go ahead and apply that into my crease. The color is so beautiful and so pigmented. It's one of the ones in the center, which was genius from Morphe. Hopefully they do more palettes like this in the future. And just go ahead and blend that into the intensity that you are most comfortable with, doing window wiper motions and circular motions to help blend it out a little bit more as well. Alright, now I'm going into Create, which is a beautiful fuchsia color, and I'm applying that directly into the crease and blending it a teeny bit upwards to create a little bit more of a transition with that first color we applied. This color is so freaking pretty, and I'm using the same Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. This color is so pretty. I want to put it all over my lid, but like, no, not what I'm going for today. Again, doing window wiper motions and applying a little bit more to the front. So applying it directly to the crease and more inwards. Alright, now I'm going into Passion and I'm applying that to the outer corner. So this color is a little bit more of a deep purple orange, but I feel like it looks a lot more purple on camera. So I'm dabbing that into place, really packing it on so the color is strictly on the outer corner and then blending it inwards. I decided I need a little bit more depth, so I went into that deep plum color in the palette and I'm doing dabbing motions to really make sure that color is pigmented in the outer corner to really smoke it out a little. I love the transition of all these shades. They blend in so smoothly. And no, I'm not sponsored by Morphe. I pay with this my own dollars. Alright, now I'm going into the Inglot Cosmetics eyeliner in 94, and I'm using that to kind of clean up the front part to really have a nice base for the eyeshadows I'm going to apply over it. This helps the eyeshadows look a little bit more pigmented. You can also use like glitter glue, or you can use concealer, which is what normally everybody else does. I just feel like being fancy and using Inglot. Alright, now the first color I'm going into is Spark, and that is going directly into the inner corner of the eye and blending it towards the center of the eyelid. And I'm using a dense brush to really make sure it picks up that product. Da, 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 blend, blend, blend. Alright, now I'm going into another dense brush and I'm going into that red shade. It's a satin finish color and I absolutely love it. It looks red, but it is honestly a hot pink shade. And I'm doing dabbing motions to apply that to the center of the eyelid. This just helps the colors transition a little bit more. And blending those two colors slightly together. Right now I'm going to go ahead and apply my favorite eyeliner, and this is the Makeup Forever ink eyeliner. This did take me a little bit longer than normal because I kept having to put the one back into the packaging and kind of do a little shake because I need to switch my eyeliner out, and I do already have a backup, but I don't want to. I want to take out every little bit of juice that this eyeliner has in it at the moment. Alright, and for eyeliner, I use the Basket Case eyeliner from Kat Von D and tight lined my lower lashes, and I also did my tight line on the top. The eyeliner is so pretty. So pretty. And it applies very nice and smoothly. Right now I'm going back into that deeper plum color and I'm applying it to a lower lash line to help smoke it out. Right now I'm applying my mascara and also some lashes, and that is pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't forget, whether you have Valentine or not, there's so many people in this world that you love, so just show them your appreciation. Ciao guys. Mwah.
The world won't stop, so we won't stop neither. Gotta go sunlight, and we face them with no fear. And it's always on my mind.